So we have our Paint 3D open. So click on open to, and then go to browse. So select the image you want to remove the background of. So click the magic select, drag to exactly where you want your images to be added or removed, and then click next. So as you can see from my image, there is a place where I'm supposed to, so we can add. So if you want to remove, so click remove to remove the image area, then click add if you want to add an image area. So here's something that I want to add, so add here. So I would like to also add one of this image here, add this one as well, and then click on done. So to automatically remove the background from the foreground. So then let's select this and then delete. Now click your image and bring it here. Now we have our transparent image, so we can export it. So go to menu here, save as image, and then check transparent with PNG image and then save.